In this lecture, we are going to see about voltage shunt feedback amplifier. So let me see block diagram of voltage shunt feedback amplifier. Here we have voltage sampling and shunt type of mixing. So sampling is voltage and mixing network is shunt type. So I am assuming an amplifier with gain A and the output is taken across load resistance RL and output is V0, current flowing through load resistance is I0 plus minus. So we are taking voltage sampling. Sampling means we are taking voltage output and fed back to the input through feedback network beta. Feedback network beta. Here shunt type of mixing. So your mixing is shunt type. We have amplifier input Vi and current flowing through amplifier is I. So shunt mixing means parallel mixing. So connect feedback circuit like this. So if you are mixing shunt means here we have current. So we have current source IS, current source IS. So here you have conventional current flow like this, feedback current I, F and amplifier current is IA. So here we have voltage output and current type of mixing. Mixer network is uses current and output sampling network is voltage. So output to the input, that means voltage divided by current. So voltage divided by current means we know that voltage divided by current is equal to resistance. So we can represent A suffix R. This a resistance, since your sampling network is voltage and mixing network is shunt means current mixing. So your mixing is current. So AR is equal to B0 divided by, without feedback, so I am using IA. Without feedback, IA. So this is also called trans resistance. Somewhere. This trans means trans gives the relation between input and output. So output voltage to the input current. So trans resistance amplifier. In another way, we can say shunt feedback amplifier. Here also shunt. So shunt feedback amplifier. Shunt feedback amplifier. So your beta is, here we are having output is here current mixing, so you have IF here. So we are current mixing, so you use output proportional current is IF, so IF to the here voltage sampling, so IF to the V naught, IF divided by V naught. Here fraction of output voltage, fraction of output voltage is sampled, that is IF is equal to beta V naught. So output voltage is sampled and fed back to the input through feedback network. Fed back to the input through feedback network. So here also we are going to find gain with feedback. Gain with feedback. Gain with feedback I am representing A R F. A R F. So ARF is equal to, so gain of whole amplifier output is V naught to the input current source IS. So V naught by IS is gain with feedback. Similarly, amplifier gain alone V naught by IA. So gain without feedback. Gain without feedback. Whenever you are using shunt mixing, that is current mixing, use Kirchhoff current law. In previous voltage series feedback amplifier, series type of mixing or voltage mixing, you used Kirchhoff voltage law. Here you have to use Kirchhoff current law. So I am taking, this is node A. So apply Kirchhoff current law at node A. So here incoming current is IS and outgoing current is IA and IF. So according to Kirchhoff current law, incoming current is equal to outgoing current. So IS is equal to IA plus IF. Replace IS with IA plus IF. Then eliminate this feedback IF with IF is equal to, you have beta V naught. Then replace this V naught. From circuit you have V naught is equal to AR into VA. V naught is equal to AR into VA. So where ARF is equal to V naught by AR VA divided by IA plus beta into AR VA. So AR VA, take VA as common, you will get 1 plus beta AB. 1 plus beta AB. VA get cancelled. So you will get ARF is equal to AR by 1 plus beta AB. 1 plus beta AB. So gain with feedback reduced by the factor 1 plus beta AB. Gain with feedback reduced by the factor 1 plus beta AB. Next class we will discuss input impedance with feedback and output impedance with feedback of voltage shunt feedback amplifier. It is also called trans resistance amplifier or shunt feedback amplifier.